Welcome everybody back to my channel, and today in this video I am staying at Disney's All-Star Music Resort, which is one of their value resorts. It was built in 1994, and I'm going to give you guys a tour of my room so you can see how it looks if you are planning to stay here in the near future. So definitely stay tuned for more. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is a treat because I am staying here at the Disney All-Star Resort, which is the Music All-Star Resort, and we're gonna have a good time. But I'm gonna show you a tour of the room that I'm staying in, just in case you guys want to stay here or have never stayed here and you want to see what it looks like. Follow me. Okay, so here is my room. I'm staying in room 9640, and this is on the 3rd floor. And I'm going to tap in, because you can tap in or you can use your phone to open the door. So here we are. I'm so excited. This is like my dream. I have always wanted to stay in the All-Star Resort, any of them, whether it was the sports, movies, or the music. I wanted to stay in it. So, as a child, I never got a chance to stay in a Disney resort. So, okay, so we're gonna start right here. And of course, you have your little Alexa, AKA Hey Disney. And it lets you know.
Home, I could help you with that.
Yeah,
that isn't available on this device.
So, okay, it basically is, and like I said, anything you want to know, it will give you. Now you do have a plug here. You have some USB plugs there, and you have a little storage right there. Now here is interesting. So this right here will let out as a bed. You're gonna pull these handles. You pull these handles and you pull it down, and it will turn into a bed. And I will try to insert a picture of how it looks later on so I can give you a better idea of when it's let down. But when it's up, it's basically a little table here that you can sit, do some work. There's 2 chairs right there, 1 and 2. So it's just a little table. You can eat, do some work, hang out right here in this little area. But like I said, it does turn into a bed, a let down bed. You pull it down and you can sleep there. Then here is the other bed, mini not included. But I like that they have this whole like Minnie, Mickey, Donald picture frame above the bed, and you do have 2 lights on each side. Now over here, you do have a phone. That's your phone, and you have the light switches to control the lighting, and you do have 2 more plugs here and 2 more USBs, and you do have a little nightstand storage right there. And it is literally the same thing on this side. So you do have the 2 plugs, control the lights, the 2 USBs, and then the storage as well. The bed is nice and comfy. I've already kind of laid down in it, so it's definitely a comfortable sleep. Now we're gonna go over here to the bathroom, and you see you have your sink here. Now they do offer or give you your little soap, your bath soap, 2 washcloths. You have your body lotion here, got some tissue. You do have your magnifying glass mirror there. You do have some towels on each side. You have your iron and your hair dryer in these shelves. You have a ironing board, and you do have some other shelves right here for some more storage in case you need it. This is where your hangers are, and some more storage up top. You can put your suitcases and things of that nature in here. So bathroom is a nice size, and then you do have your toilets over here. Let's turn on the light. And so this is your toilet. Of course, they give you plenty of towels. You have your shower here. Now, You do have this like shower head, like a rainfall shower head almost. So that's nice. And then, yeah, just a regular shower. Now, coming over on this side, let's see what they have to offer. They do have the body wash, the conditioner, and the shampoo. You know, the three amigos, the things that you all need. So this is the bathroom. It's very nice. It's not, you know, crazy. It'll get the job done, to say the least. Okay, moving on. So you do have a nice space area over here, I will say, if you wanted to put your luggage or anything right here to store. You do have some hooks to hang up, hats, swimsuits, whatever you want to hang up there. You do have a nice desk here. Okay, a lot of counter space, and they do have two plugs here, two USBs, and they have one on the other side as well. So they have plenty of plugs for everyone. Okay, so like I said, they have a nice screen TV for you. Down below, we do have the safe. Okay, put all your valuables away, please, please. And then you do have the Holy Bible, okay? Of course. Now there are some extra pillows down here below, and that is for the pull-out bed when it does get let out. Now you do have some drawer storage here. So it's nice. Let's see. Yeah, 3 drawers, 3 big drawers of storage. You do have your trash can there. You have a nice light fixture here. Now over here in this area is going to be your ice bucket. So you can fill up with ice. They do give you plastic cups here. So you do have some cups down below. You have your Keurig, I guess, for coffee. And they give you all the little goodies here from my coffee drinkers, tea drinkers. And they do have a drawer for some storage here if you like. And then you have your cooler down below here. So you just pop that open, and it's definitely a cooler. It's not super cold, but it definitely will get your things cool. So if you want to have water, soda, whatever, leftovers, right there. There is no microwave in this room, so, you know, keep that in mind. And then you do have your window here that you can look out. All right, and then there's the door. So let me just give you guys a whole nother panoramic view. Awesome. So let me just give you guys just a little bit of details regarding this room. So if you do stay at any Disney resort, just to let you guys know that you, on check-in day, you do get access to one of their water parks, either Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon. So, and that's only on check-in day. So when you check in, you are able to get in free if you just tap your bracelet, your watch, or your key card. You can get in free to one of the water parks on check-in day. So just keep that in mind. That is a perk for staying at a Disney resort. Also, of course, you would get early entry. So that is definitely one of the great perks of staying at one of the Disney resorts. And it has to be owned by Disney, not a Disney partner. So, you know, those are the ones where you can get early entry, which is 30 minutes into the park. So you also have access to the bus that will take you directly to whatever park you want to go to. So it's convenient, so you don't have to pay for parking. So that is another perk of staying at a Disney hotel. You don't have to pay for parking. The buses will take you from here to the parks, or here to Disney Springs, or from your resort to the water parks and back. So it's really awesome to stay on the resort because you basically have your own public transportation system here in Walt Disney World. But guys, yeah, this is here at the All-Star Music Resort, and I'm staying in the jazz section Okay, and I'm going to just show you just a little bit of the outer area of the resort, but I am going to do a more in-depth video of this whole resort, so make sure you stay tuned for that video as well. All right, I want to say thank you guys for joining me on this little tour, this little room tour of the All-Star Music Resort. And again, make sure you check out my video of the full tour of this resort. But in the meantime, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.